Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to copy link of video on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you like this. After that, you have to click on the plus mark. This type of screen will appear in front of you. You can see the timers 15 seconds, 60 seconds and 10 seconds. You have to set the timer and push this red button. Your video will be start. After that, you have to save that video. That's all. If you are eager to grab freebies, want to explore fantastic sample offers and score exclusive coupons spanning a wide range of products from cutting edge gadgets to beauty essential, then watch the video you are seeing on end screen. Also, consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.